Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you a hands-free magnifier with a light that's built in for comfort, clarity, and flexibility right at your desk. Compared with other models, this one gives you more ways to use it. Hang it by the neck, hold it by the handle, or just stand it on the countertop. No restrictions, no awkward setups. These lenses were developed by a German team. They're crystal clear and scratch resistant, so you don't get that blurred focus you get with the cheaper magnifiers. And check this out, the sponge neck tube protection. It's soft, comfortable, and doesn't press on your neck, so you can use it for long periods of time without discomfort. Plus, you get professional cold, warm, and balanced light settings. That means your eyes stay comfortable no matter what you're working on. From books to electronics. Right now I have it around my neck. Watch how easily I can magnify this text. The words are bigger, clear, and perfect, so I could read without straining my eyes. Now, let's switch to something more detailed. Here I'm working on some small electronics. With my hands free and the magnifier standing on its base, I can still see every tiny part clearly, and it still works comfortably. You can move the hose, adjust the lens, or change the light mode to fit whatever tasks you need. It's comfortable, convenient, and makes everything from reading to repair so much easier. If you're looking for a clear, versatile magnifier with adjustable light for your desk, this one is a game changer.